Hello, this is Josh Osler, your head golf professional at La Rinconada Country Club. Today I'm going to be going over how to use Golf Genius, which is our dedicated website for senior golf this year. I want to show you where to access it on the member website. So you're going to sign in to the La Rinconada Country Club website. Easiest place to access it is by going under the golf menu, LRCC clubs and senior men's club. Here you'll find a summary of information for the senior club. You'll click here to access the member portal, which will have all the information, the calendar, results, all sorts of stuff on there. Or if you're looking to find a specific event and you know when it's happening, you can still go to the club calendar in the La Rinconada website and find the date on there. So let's say I want to sign up for this senior skins game on March 29th. I'm going to click there. It'll give me a summary of what the event will be like here. And if I click here to register, it will take me to the member portal. Now, if you've created an account, you'll simply click sign in, enter your email and password, and it will recognize that it is you signed in to the member portal. An alternate option is to use this GGID, which for our group is LRCCS22, and that will give you general access. It won't know that it's you signed in, but you can do everything you would need to with that same password to access it. So let's use the registered version here. I'll show you what that looks like. So here you can access the calendar of events for the entire year. You can see when each event opens for registration, as well as every single event throughout the entire year. You can also look at results once they start happening. Season-long standings will also be found here, as well as other areas where you can find information. But if I want to sign up for that skins game, and I've signed in as under my account, all I have to do is go here. I can click sign up or cannot play. An even easier option is that once an event opens for registration, an email will be sent out similar to this that also gives you the same option, inviting you to register for this Tuesday, March 29th skins game. I can either mark playing or not playing. So those are the two main ways that you will register for events. I hope that was informational. Please let me know if you have any questions, and we'll get everybody up to par on this. Hoping for a wonderful senior season, and we'll talk to you soon.